How to fix iPhone speaker sound too low. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix low volume issues on your iPhone when calls sound quiet, notifications are hard to hear, or music volume feels too low. Stick around till the end so you don't miss any important steps. First, let's open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down until you find Accessibility. Tap on it. Then open the option called Hearing Devices. If you see Hearing Aid Compatibility turned on, go ahead and turn it off. This feature can sometimes reduce overall speaker volume, especially during calls, so disabling it can instantly make things louder. Next, stay in the Accessibility section and scroll a bit until you find Touch. Open it. Here, look for Call Audio Routing. Make sure this option is set to Automatic. If it's set to speaker or Bluetooth, your call volume might not work properly, so keeping it on automatic helps the iPhone choose the correct audio output. The third fix is to reset all settings on your iPhone. Go back to Settings again, tap on General, scroll all the way down and select Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap Reset and then choose Reset All Settings. Don't worry, this will not delete your photos, apps, or personal data. It only resets system settings like sound, Bluetooth, and accessibility options, which often fixes software-related volume problems. Now let's check your ringer and alert volume. Open Sounds and Haptics. Look at the ringer and alerts slider. If it's all the way to the left, drag it to the right to increase the volume. This directly affects how loud your phone rings and how loud notifications sound. The final fix is a physical one. Check your speaker and earphone grills for dust or dirt. Use a soft brush, a clean toothbrush, or a toothpick to gently clean the speaker holes. You can also use a cotton swab with a very small amount of rubbing alcohol for earphones. Just be careful and don't use too much liquid. These are the best ways to fix low volume issues on your iPhone. And that's it. If this helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.